Hello friend, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is the reading for Aquarians for the month of July 2020 in their love matters. And I have shuffled the cards and have laid them out, and we will just start with your reading. I have placed here the cards of Aquarians. How are they feeling in their current relationship, and how their person is feeling in their current relationship with their recent past, present and immediate future. Okay, so we will just start with the process of clarification wherever needed. Okay, so Aquarians, and just remember that this reading is a general reading, so it may not resonate with every Aquarian present there, so take whatever resonates and rest leave. And this reading is for Aquarian, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and anyone who is drawn towards this reading. Okay, so we will just start. Aquarians, how are you feeling in your current relationship with your person? So what I'm feeling here is, Aquarian, that in your recent past something was revealed to you about the person you are dealing with. Okay, and after knowing that message, okay, you started focusing more on your work, on your profession. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing, that you in your recent past you have shifted your focus into your work more as compared to your love relationships. Okay, so and your present energy is telling me that you know that you have this love. Okay, you know that this person is not going anywhere. Maybe you have received this message in the recent past that this person loves you a lot, and so you are now really confident about focusing and shifting your focus to your work or your professional career. Okay, and you know that you have a really happy period with this person in the past and have a really good future with this person. Okay, so you are sort of sure about this person and their feelings, which has now given you a new confidence, and you have started focusing on your professional career. Okay, because you have realized that you need it more. Okay, so this Eight of Hearts is telling your present energy that you are really hopeful and optimistic and dreaming about your future with this person. Okay, your immediate future is in your immediate future you are gonna feel, or maybe many of you have started feeling, a bit of disappointment with this relationship and this person. And the reason for this disappointment is that you are feeling that there are other persons involved with your person in this connection, and they are taking your focus. Okay, they are taking your time. Your person is paying attention to other people as well in their life. Okay, because of which they're not paying you more attention which you require. Okay, so you are feeling a little bit of insecurity that there is a competition for your person, and your person, what happen if your person gets someone better than you? Okay, so you are thinking like that, and because of that you are feeling a bit of disappointment in this relationship in your recent or in the immediate future. Okay, so I think this is more in your head, Aquarians. Let's move on to your person's feeling. How is he or she feeling in this connection? Okay, so your person's recent past is telling me that you two have come together recently in this love relationship, and your person, although loves you a lot and was really feeling lucky to have you, they also had a bit of issues in this connection. Okay, which they have not told you yet. Okay, so there are some secrets, something hidden in their mind which they are not telling you. Maybe they know the problems which will crop up in the future. Maybe they know about their personality. Maybe they know about their weaknesses, okay, which they are not telling you. Although they loved you in the recent past, I'm seeing that there is love, there is happy good times between the two of you, but your person still at that time had some sort of issues going on in their mind and heart about this connection, okay. They were able to see the hidden troubles behind this connection, which they didn't tell you, and they didn't want to tell you, okay. Their present energy is the Ace of Clubs, which is currently they are feeling very powerful. They are feeling like they have a magnetic personality, a really charming person, and really lucky and powerful. They can have anyone they want, so they are feeling like this, okay. They have a new surge of confidence, positivity, optimism, and a new changed personality, okay. So they are going through a transformation, and maybe this is making you insecure. You are feeling like your person is no longer needing you, okay. You're feeling like they have become so self-dependent, so confident, so independent, okay, and so confident about themselves, so powerful, okay. And that's why you are feeling insecure that you may lose them, okay, or there may be some other people with whom they are talking and they can give them a chance, okay. So a lot of insecurity because of this, Aquarians. So let's see the immediate and the near future of your persons. So what I see in your person's immediate future is that your person is really growing, okay. I'm not able to see here any kind of infidelity, any kind of cheating, any kind of heartbreaks, okay, between the two of you. What I'm seeing here is, yes, your person is changing, of course, okay, and change is the only truth, okay. So your person is changing, they are evolving, they are becoming more independent, okay, because they want to grow, okay. They want to change themselves. Everyone wants to become a better person. So that does not mean they don't need you, okay. And what I'm seeing in your person's near future is that your person is feeling a real victory, and whatever efforts they have put in their work or in relationships, it's going to pay off, and it's going to give them fruits, okay. So for your person's life, what I'm feeling here is that this is a really good time for your person, Aquarians, okay. They are growing, their confidence is improving, they are focusing on themselves, self-care, self-love, and they want to have a victory in every aspect of life, okay. And this is what I'm seeing here, that they are going through. But because of all these changes, Aquarians, you are getting a bit insecure, because maybe you are thinking negatively, okay, that the reason behind all these changes can be some another person, but this is not the truth, okay. Your person is changing, but I'm not seeing anything malicious here, okay, or anything which you need to worry about, okay. So let's get clarification about this situation and get some messages from divine universe over this connection and guidance to you guys, okay. So what is the message for Aquarians or their person for the month of July 2020 in their love reading, and over the situation the Aquarians are facing right now, okay. Anything we need to know? So let's see. Okay. So the card of Temperance, okay, and the Ace of Spades, which is the focus and clarity, okay. So this is the message from divine for you, Aquarians, that you need to have a balance, you need to have the stability, moderation, okay. Everything is going well in your life, There is nothing to worry about this connection or this person. They love you, they care for you, they're just improving themselves, and you can have a talk with each other, a communication, okay, the whatever you guys are feeling and going through. But I don't think there is anything to worry about, okay? You need to have your balance. You should focus your energy on something more creative, okay? And don't let the negativity spoil anything, okay? So card of Temperance upright is a really positive answer to your all worries, Aquarians. And the Ace of Spades, which is the card of focus and clarity, okay? So you need to focus on all the positive times you guys had together, and you will get the clarity for sure, okay? So there's nothing to worry, Aquarians. All is going well in your life, in your love life, right? So I hope you enjoyed your reading. We will end here, Aquarians. Till then, till the next video, take care. God bless you. Love you all. Take care.